Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. There's no intro. I'm just jumping right into this one. So in regular fashion, I'm just cleansing my skin with micellar water. And now I'm following up with this gold infused primer oil by City Color. Listen guys, this primer oil smells so good. Well, at least to me it smells awesome. Now I'm spraying a very sheer coverage in Beauty Cosmetics silicone base foundation in the shade Island Spice 250. Now the coverage is very light and very natural looking, but if you were to pay attention and look closely, you're able to see the difference between the side that has foundation sprayed versus the side that doesn't. And this is one of the many advantages of using airbrush makeup, because you get the coverage you need without the cake face appeal. Here I'm applying my highlight using a stencil as a guideline to create a very defined wing area for where the eyeshadow will be sprayed. The shade of the highlight is in Tropical Glow 250. With steady control on my stylus, I'm spraying the highlight color to create a more defined nose bridge. Here I'm using my trusty brow mascara in the color Brunette to fill in my brows. The brand for this mascara is A Miley. I believe that's a pronunciation. However, you can check the description bar where I'd leave all the information of the different brands of products that I've used. Now I'm just taking my detailer brush to fill in the peak or the tail end of my brow. Here I'm cleaning up underneath the brow with my concealer from my FX palette in the shade Tropical Glow 200. Here I'm spraying a water-based color on my lid, my complete lid, and it's from my line Beauty Cosmetics. I have not actually given these colors a name, but it's more of like a lime greenish, apple greenish shade. With the help of my stencil, I'm now going to spray a very dark chocolate, almost black chocolate color on my outer V of my lids, and I'm also going to use that as a transition color in the crease of my lids. I'm now spraying a violet pearlized or effervescent color on my inner tear ducts. Here I'm spraying a gold shimmery color for my illuminator. That's on my cheeks, my tip of my nose, parts of my forehead, my lips, in those areas. I'm now lining my lids with Beauty Creations gel liner in the color black. I believe it's just black or blackest black. Now I'm applying my 3D Mink Lash in the style Flawless, and I'm using my Duo Lash Adhesive in Clear for the application. I'm now applying my rouging or my blush in a silicone base color in the shade Cocoa. I'm now setting the entire look with the Beauty Cosmetics setting spray, Set Good. I'm now finishing off the look with this liquid matte lipstick in the brand, I believe, Lingerie, and the color is Currant. Like I said, you can check the description bar for all the information of the products used in this show and tell video. And hair completes the look. Don't mind that my hair is quite towed up. That's not the point right now. It's about the face. Yes, the look. And here it is. Alright guys, please remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and until next time, deuces.